Hello everyone, Nasser here at Financial Markets Club. Last video on DXY has worked out quite well. So you'll recall in the last video I was saying how the US dollar index doesn't look like it's quite done. It looks like it's sort of hit resistance around here, but I wasn't too happy with the dollar index sort of falling here, and I speculated that it could head back up to the top and possibly exceed it, and here we are, we have it exceeding it. So I think we're really close to the end for the US dollar for a while now. Some strange things going on in the market. I reckon we're going to see the US dollar weaken. I can't be sure exactly what might be the reason, because the financial markets landscape is changing so dramatically every day with everything that's going on. But if I just zoom out, in fact just before that, what I'm looking for is this trend line to be broken. Once this is broken, I would expect a sort of ongoing fall on the US dollar. I'm just going to zoom out because I've got a larger trend line here. Once this is broken, I'm expecting the US dollar to continue weakening to around 95, 94-ish, around there. So it will take some time. Let's see how it goes, unless of course something dramatic happens in the market. Now the big question is, why on earth would the US dollar weaken so much, so dramatically, when things are so strong for the US dollar? Again, I can't really answer that at the moment, but one thing I can point to is there's a lot of weird stuff going on in the market. If you look at the Russian ruble versus the US dollar, which weakened dramatically, the ruble was hammered so badly. But despite all the sanctions and stuff that's going on, which is of course having a ripple effect on everything from inflation through to commodities and so on, we see the Russian ruble just climb back up to pre-sanction levels. Now that's extraordinary, guys. Again, I don't really go into the fundamentals of this, so I don't really know the ins and outs of why this is happening, but this kind of strange stuff suggests to me that there is a potential for the dollar to weaken. My technicals are showing me that the dollar is going to weaken. I think it's only a matter of time until we see some reason in the market for the dollar to weaken, and that should confirm the technicals, and we should see the dollar index DXY come down to around somewhere between 94 95. So what do we do with that? Well, as you can imagine, popular cross currencies like GBPUSD or EURUSD, they might be rising, so it might be an opportunity to long those cross currencies versus the US dollar. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below, and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.